Richmond Hill and York Region, as I said, is a very happening place with a lot of innovation in our tech ecosystem.
Richmond Hill is a prime strategic location for us because we view the city as an innovative IT business hub.
And one of the fabulous things that happened in that report is we have data that 37% of investors are now women, which is huge. It was 21%, I think I'm saying that number right, in 2021. That is a great thing for women in general. Women founders, having more women in the room when they're pitching is really going to make a difference going forward.
Good afternoon, I'm Nathan Allen with York Lake, part of York Region's Economic Development Team. I've got a special guest with me. I've got Stephanie Curcio from NL Patent. She just pitched on the main stage. She's a startup that went through the Y-Space Accelerator program.
And we're here to talk about hardware.
The new headquarters will feature a fully AI-driven conveyor and picking system in the warehouse, AI-driven intelligent interior environmental controls, and charging stations for the electronic vehicles.
Great to have so many talented neighbors. I'm happy to hear about the progress that Canada Computers is also making as well.
Yeah, I would say on that point, the mentorship aspect and the learning and the education that's necessary, it benefits both the entrepreneur and the investor. And to Raymond's point, as investors, we lean on sometimes the expertise of others. So I might not understand the technical aspects of a particular opportunity, but if Raymond does, and if I trust him, then I might defer to his judgment there. If I trust him.
Yeah, fair enough.